Good morning. Live on YouTube. Cool. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Getting a couple more things set up. Really? You had to pop up my Amazon order right now? Anyways. Cool. Let's do this. How'd y'all do yesterday? Did you guys make money, lose money, take no trades? And let me know in the chat. Today is a big day. Yes, yes, yes. CPI, baby. CPI. Nay, what's up? How you doing? But yeah, so yesterday, I gave you guys literally the bottom of the market. Gave you the exact bottom. So that was beautiful if you guys caught it. Unfortunately, I paper handed that. Also gave you guys the reject level. Yesterday came up, smacked it to a penny, and then it dropped. And then the main trade yesterday, even though the contracts really didn't move all that great because they're really juiced, was this trade right here that we ended up taking live in Team Bull. This was a banger right here. So hopefully everybody made money yesterday again. And even I gave you guys Boeing yesterday. Well, hold on. What did I give you guys yesterday? Hold up. Okay, so I gave you guys Boeing yesterday for a continuation to the upside. Boeing nuked yesterday. Absolutely nuked. And it's still nuking. So hopefully you guys caught that. Microsoft gave you guys that yesterday. That nuked. So hopefully you guys made some money. Because let me tell you, all around yesterday was banger after banger after banger. All you guys had to do was execute. So, yeah, I mean, unfortunately, what sucks is we have so much news this week that I couldn't get into McDonald's. And I seriously think that McDonald's is going to go up to this 285 and then 290. It just doesn't make sense to try to swing it because of one CPI today and then FOMC tomorrow. So, a little unfortunate, but oh well. I can get bragging rights. How about that? That'll do. I told you guys going to 290. Anyway, so today what I am watching. So we do have news dropping in 8 minutes, so we're not going to do too much analysis quite yet. But as far as what I am seeing in the market, we are kind of setting this head and shoulders right here. So we get shoulder 1, shoulder 2, head. Maybe we come up, form another shoulder, which should actually line up around that 61.8. So I'm going to be watching that. Yeah, if you caught that McDonald's, congrats to you. Let's see. So this is my short area right here. If we start breaking above 403, then we're probably going to come back up and hit these highs right here. But I have no other reject besides 403. That's it. That's the only reject that I have right now. And then as far as bounces, again, I don't really have much till we start getting down to like 389.4. So that's if, I mean, depending on, what are we at? 398.95. Actually, no, we're opening at 401. That'd be a really hard sell-off. I really doubt that could happen. Like, we would have to get terrible CPI numbers. But I have no bounce till all the way down here. So, actually, that's a pretty solid area as well of resistance. If you guys could, real quick, though, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We have 212 people in here, 51 likes. Remember, if you guys want the watch list today, run it up to 150 likes. The ball is in your guys' court. And let's get live for the people on TikTok. Hold on. Oh, apparently Uncle is not taking the CPI announcement. You like the video with J-Nun? Good, good. Make sure to comment and let him know that you want to do more, or you want him to do more. I enjoy doing them. They're a lot of fun. Let's see. TikTok. Make sure they all see my hairy legs. Cool. Alrighty. So, like I said, my main reject is in between, I would say 403 to 403.54. Other than that, I think we already broke above here. Yep, we broke above it in the pre-market. So, I don't have another reject. That's literally the last reject that I have. And then we had that weekly trend line, which would be all the way up at like 408. So, yeah, 403 to 403.5. That's what I'm very interested in on SPY. And let's see, QQQ. We got 5 minutes until the news drops. Let's see, QQQ, pivot high. Whoops. Pivot high. Pivot low. 289. 289 is my magical level. And then again, if we sell off, let's see. We're opening at 287. Again, I feel like 277.4, that's a bop away. I don't think we're going to get that low. We'll see, though. Having a nice pump. Oh, this could be a weird one, guys. Because if we blow through that 289.12, there's a good possibility that we go back to these highs right here. Did CPI already drop? What is this? Did CPI leak? Hold up. What's up with that? Had to have leaked. There's no way. Let's see. SPY, QQQ. Yeah, numbers had to have leaked. I don't see any, like nothing dropped on Twitter. So I don't know. Let's see if somebody put it in the chat. Hold on. Bruh, this is weird. No, CPI is supposed to be in 3 minutes. So I don't know what that pump was about, but there's no news of CPI. Well, while we're sitting here for 2 more minutes, first off, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. 271 people in here, 88 likes. Remember to also click that subscribe button. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 900 videos teaching you on how to trade for completely free. So, make sure you guys are clicking that subscribe button. But I do have a question. Who here uses Apex Trader and who has actually received a payout from Apex? Because I'm thinking about trading futures on there, but low key, like the more I look into it and the more I think about their whole business model, it reminds me of a PONZI, which I don't think I can actually say the word in the YouTube live stream. So I'm just curious, has anybody actually received a legit payout from Ninja Trader? If so, then I'll start using it. But yeah, just let me know. Good morning. 1 minute. Yeah, I think it's really scammy. I asked somebody else. Just waiting to hear back from them. I did. I don't think he has. They're not regulated. I looked into it. They're not regulated at all. All right, what's the numbers, baby? Let's go. All right, what's the actual data? Let's see. 7.1% forecast, 7.3 previous, 7.7. Hold on, trying to get the screenshot for everybody. Boom, boom. Oh shit. There we go. Boom. All right, so the numbers that we got today, and man, should we have swung McDonald's? That's an upset. CPI month over month 0.3%, forecast 0.3%. US CPI year over year 7.1, forecast 7.3, previous 7.7. US core CPI year over year 6%, forecast 6.1. Month over month actual 0.1%, forecast 0.3%, previous 0.4%. Cool. All right, now we got some bounce levels. Let's go. Let's do this. All right, let me get back to the YouTube live stream. Man, we got 323 people in here. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Let's find a bounce. Let's find a banger today, and I am ready. So, dang, we broke that 410 too. Okay, so if I were to be watching SPY, because it just blew through my resistance, if I were to be watching this for a possible bounce today, if I were to look for a bounce, let's see. Well, let me pull up the DMs to myself, and then we're going to make this watch list. Okay. One possible bounce area that we could get could be... There's a couple. Here. Here to here. Look for the 404.75 bounce. Or an even harder pullback could take us down here. But 404.75 is going to be my main area. This is the exact thing that we ended up trading on, what was it? I think it was Friday. Yeah, Friday. So if we can hold this area and not pull back that hard, I will be interested. 410 was the major area. I need to fill these candles in. Can't see. There we go. All right, I got one bounce on SPY. That's it. One single bounce. As far as rejects, none now. Absolutely none. Let's see. Pivot low or pivot high, pivot low. 414. What was the high on that candle? Oh, we hit it. We hit it to a T. Look at that. That sucks. That would have been a banger. Hold on. That sucks. Jade Undone made 13K off of that ES. Wow. What a beast. 7% because that's lower than it was expected to be. So, because we rejected this is like the most major pivot high, pivot low that we could have rejected on SPY. That's making me lean a little bearish today. Let's see, let's go back to the 1 hour. We rejected it pretty hard. Again, we have that pivot low to pivot high. 401.31 could potentially be an area. 404.75. Okay, let's get this up. Let's start getting this watch list rolling. Notebook. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Cool. SPY rejected one of the major fib levels at 414.04. If I were to look for a bounce today, 404.75, 403.75, and 401.31 would be my main areas to watch. The QQQ hit 300. We'll get to that in a minute. Yeah, again, it literally hit that 50% to a T. You guys just saw me draw that. Go to the weekly time frame. The all-time high to this low right here. Came up, smacked it. So that's a pretty big reject. Yeah, okay. So those are the bounces I'm going to watch on SPY, QQQ. And real quick, while we're just sitting here making this watch list, one thing in case you guys did not know, I do have a 450-page book on Amazon. My book is called The New Age of Technical Analysis. And in the book, what the heck? And in the book, I go over my entire day trading and swing trading strategy, how I find price targets, how to use support and resistance, how to use Fibonacci, all the indicators I use, and so much more. So if you guys do want to check out the book, there's a link right there to The New Age of Technical Analysis on Amazon. So now that we got QQQ out of the way, yes, it did hit that 300.8. Let's see. 871. Okay, nothing till 331.48, 313.04, 303.8. So 303.8, if we were to get up there, I would be interested. As far as a possible bounce, here to here, here to here. Cool. Thank you. I hit 36K on YouTube. Yes, I did. I appreciate it. We're at 147 likes with 360 people in here. You guys got to keep running it up. QQQ. If we continue to get a pump today, I will be looking for a reject around 303.8. 303.8 for puts. Possible bounce levels are at we're too close to the 293.3, so 291.5 to 291. Then ideally would like to see 288.66. I want to see if we can hit 200 likes today. That should be easy. All right. Let's see. We got 1 hour, 4 hour. We're going to break this down to a 30-minute. All right, let's flip through the stocks. I don't think there's going to be any good setups today. We finally got all the squeezes to finally fire. We had a bunch of squeezes. Let's see. Did Apple break that daily trend line that it had? Yep. So if Apple can break and actually push, should take the market with it. It's trying to break the trend line right now. It's hardly above it. But we'll see. Nice 4-hour squeeze fired up on Apple. It's above it by like $2. So that would be good for the market. AMD. It might just be one of those days. Again, I post everything in the Discord. I post it in Discord every day. Today's not any different. AMD not interested in. Amazon not interested in. Boeing, it just gone. I think we are going to watch Boeing, though. I feel like they kind of just want to push Boeing to 200. So we'll put Boeing on the list. I know Moderna had news. I think they had some cancer vaccine or something like that. Google don't care about. Let's see. Meta hit my reject level. Actually looks like it's trying to bull flag. That 4-hour squeeze finally fired. We're going to watch Meta if it can go into a bull flag. Is that why Boeing's gapping up? They had a big order. That would make sense. I got a bunch of videos on the squeeze. I got like 3 or 4. Just make sure you watch them. Dang, that Microsoft went crazy. Good morning, GOAT. Netflix right up to the previous high right here. Be interested if it could get past that. Netflix. QQQ actually still has its daily squeeze. That hasn't fired. Nvidia don't care about. We looked at QQQ. We looked at SPY. And now the only thing we have left is Tesla. Yeah, not interested in that. I think the only 2 stocks that I'm interested in, or 3, is Boeing, Meta, and Netflix. Microsoft holding a shareholders meeting today, could walk from ATV IPO. What time? No, it's just the same analysis. The only issue is we usually blow past levels, and that's exactly what happened today. So it makes it harder to find them. But overall, the analysis stays the same. I would be very interested in a bounce on Boeing 185.57. Let's see. Boeing, very interested in a potential bounce around 185.6 for calls or a break above 192.50 for calls. Price target equal. Let's see. Parsons pivot say we went right into the monthly pivot 194.7. Close enough. And then 196.87. I mean, I also have an ebook. You can get the ebook that has color. Price target equal 194.69. 196.87. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that subscribe button and clicking that like button. I do go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 900 videos teaching you guys on how to trade for completely free. I see we got 350 people in the live stream. So I guarantee all 352 of you are not subscribed to the channel. And I see a little dancing SpongeBob whenever you subscribe. I haven't seen one this whole live stream. Anyways, let's take a look at Meta. Yeah, I'm not even going to watch Meta. Why did I even put that on the list? Yeah, SPY, QQQ, Boeing. That's all I like. There's really not much. So let's give this watch list to the squad. Let's see. I feel like a lot of you just made money. Scrolling in Team Bull, I want to see. Judging by the fact that Jadon already done made 13K today. I'm assuming you guys printed. Daily watch list today. Let's run it up and make some money. Cool. Make sure you guys go run up the reactions. Yeah, so we did break above it, which kind of invalidates it. I would say once we start closing above it, that's when it's invalidated. Let's see, it's buy. Literally right to that reject. That's crazy. I would have been so interested if we could come up towards that level during market. Buy. QQQ. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And then we had Boeing. Yes, sir. We're going to run up the nephew special tomorrow. Oh, hold on. What was the bounce for this? Boeing 185.5 to 185.6. I don't know. It's going to be weird today. Remember, when we get big moves like this, typically we don't see too much happen in the market, but, you know, anything could happen. Boom. Cool. I guess I will stick around and answer questions, give you guys the watch list for the day. Hold on. Dang, you guys are killing it. Wow. Proud of you guys. This dude just printed. Some guy using my fibs, the class that I did yesterday, done. What did he do? He printed. He caught 48 or 40.98.89, and it went all the way up to like 41 something, like 41.35. That's crazy. It's a massive move. All right, let me give you guys the watch list in the YouTube live stream. Real quick, as always, none of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Option trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Boom. So, yeah, McDonald's is gone. That's unfortunate. SPY, QQQ, I guess I'll keep Tesla up, and then Boeing. Yeah, he smacked it on ES. That's crazy. Let's see. Jadon's the one that has the access to it. Oh, I don't know when he's gonna upload it. Where are we trading at? 410.5. I mean, maybe we come back up and we test that 414. If we could do that, I would actually be interested in a reject if we can do that. watching 414 for potential reject. Since we hit it based off of news, I feel like, I mean, we're at 410.5, so that is a pretty big pump. But I do like it. We'll see. But feel free to ask any questions. I'm gonna hang out for 5 more minutes, hop off, get ready to print with you guys. I always do Monday, Wednesday, Fridays expiration. So on Monday, I trade Wednesday. Tuesday, I trade Wednesday. And then on Wednesday, I switch to Friday. Thursday, trade Friday. And then on Friday, I trade Monday. So every other expiration, Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, is what I trade. And if you guys do want to join Team Bull and trade live with me, make sure to come on and join using this link right here. Boom. Come join the squad. Yes, I do have an FOMC strategy. I'll explain it in tonight's video. I'm seeing people talk about Dixie, how it's getting smoked. Hopefully it is. Good. I'll take that. Would watch out for that monthly 21 though at 101.62. Let me tell you, my long-term portfolio, I love it. No, why would you buy puts right off the open? IV is going to be all jacked up. No. Wait for confirmation. I just dropped the link in the chat. And again, if you guys are in Team Bull, go run up the reactions in my channel. I see 8 reacts. What is this? Run it up. 420 people in the live stream. I like it. Again, if you guys are just tuning in, make sure to scroll up. You will see my watch list. I'm watching SPY, QQQ, and Boeing today. We had CPI this morning. Pretty big pump to the upside. So I do feel like it's going to be a weird day. We're just going to have to, stay safe, trade smart, wait for A+ setups only. Don't force trades. I mean, if I don't even see an A+ setup today, I won't even trade. But yep, tomorrow we got FOMC. That's going to be crazy. The link for Team Bull, it's the Beacons page that I just shared. This one right here. Looking for a bounce or looking for a reject? What other questions do we have? No, I don't even use FinViz. I just go through my day trading watch list. Zero DT, the reason why I don't trade it, one, they move like crap. Like, if you get the direction right, then yes. But if it just sits there and chops, you're going to lose money. You're going to get your stop loss hit, and you can get burnt from zero DT. Trust me, it just, in my opinion, it makes 0 sense to trade zero DT. The smallest pullbacks are going to stop you out. If it consolidates, you're going to get stopped out. Just like yesterday, we were in the SPY trade. It consolidated for like, what, 20, 30 minutes, maybe even longer. Actually, yes, longer. And people got stopped out because of the theta decay on the zero DTE. Even though there was zero reason to exit the position, the Wednesday expirations, they didn't get hit from the theta. Zero DTEs did. And if you got stopped out, you missed out on this move right here that we caught. So I just personally don't like zero DTE. I used to trade it. It's just I've become more consistently profitable and less stressed when not trading zero DTEs. Cool. Just trade SPY and QQQ. Really, that's all you need to trade. That's all. Any other questions you guys got? I just used the 0.5 and 0.618 retracement. As far as my FOMC strategy, you guys are going to see it in tonight's video. Make sure you guys watch it. It's going to be a banger. Cool. All right. Well, I'm going to hop off TikTok. Again, if you are on TikTok, we only got 16 people today. I don't know why it's been so weak recently, but make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, where I'm actually sharing my screen and you guys can actually see it. But yeah, other than that, I'll be live on TikTok. Whoops. Pace. I was knocked over my mic. Literally just punched it. Yeah, I changed my SPY levels because we blew through. We blew through the levels. Let's see. Cool. All right. Well, I guess I'm gonna call it a day on the YouTube. So if you guys are in Team Bull, I'll be live in like 10-15 minutes. Let's run it up. Let's print. And again, make sure to go run up them reactions. If you guys do want to learn more about my trading strategy in a 450-page book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, make sure to go check it out right there. But as always, everybody have an amazing rest of your day. Let's run it.